Ananse, the cunning one, sometimes brave, sometimes cowardly. He the generous, and he the close-fisted one. But is he ever wise? Was it not Kweku Ananse who once, thinking to possess himself of all the wisdom in this world, collected every bit that he could lay hands on, stuffed it into a gourd, and attempted to hang the gourd high up on the topmost branches of the silk cotton tree, out of the reach of all mankind? Watching him attempt to climb the tree with the gourd on his chest surprised him, pointing out that trees could not be climbed that way. Ananse, out of spite, dropped the pot of wisdom, scattering, scattering, scattering. That is how wisdom spread throughout the world, and how even simple men like me came to get a little bit of it. Listen to the story of Kweku Ananse. Learn wisdom from it, those who can. Listen. Once upon a time, Kweku Ananse, his wife O'Connor, and son Kwekutsin made a farm. A very big farm it was.
Ejakwesi, how big was the farm?
Oh, let's see. It was very big. As big as Accra and Tema put together. Have you ever been to Accra? Yes, it was very, very big. And the harvest promised to be good.
Okonori yasi bampeni Ananse strapusi Ananse o Mwanamo Okonori mo Moni ejuma
Ananse, you are very quiet today. What's the matter?
I'm not well at all today. I have pains in the tummy.
So unpedunum. I need to know yemi or yano. Yeah, me kofia. May you make a clan adia kosa. What it?
Oh, you Martin.
How good day? Where we?
Mommy, Maria.
You maybe. Kuba swami. Come.
No, my catch the milk.
Emudro.
You know we dry now. I'm here too now. I think
Okonori mo Okute moni ejuma Okonori mo Okute moni ejuma Okonori yasi bampeni Ananse strapusi Ananse o Mwanamo Okonori mo Moni ejuma
I have some work to do in the farm. I will join you later.
Don't you want to come home, Kweku? Aren't you hungry?
Woman, I am. But I can't go home to leave the rats to feed on the result of my sweat and toil.
But who cares if the rats eat a little bit of the food? We have a good harvest this season.
I want to set a few traps.
Come off it, Kweku. Don't be mean.
You expect me to turn to make a farm to feed rats? O'Connor, don't make me angry.
I didn't mean to make you angry, Kweku. I was only teasing.
All right. I will join you later. O'Connor eats like a pig. And that boy Kukutin, he has the appetite of a hippopotamus. Eating food. Oh, Kukuanes. With these two in your home, how much at all will you get to eat? After all, what help did I get from O'Connor and Kukutin when I was making this farm?
What happened? Don't worry. I am the master brain behind the making of that farm. Huh? Why should I use my hands? No brain will you money. Yimpa missing answer, pun with the tail. I've been now. Me, I don't know say you. I'm for the member. You are crazy. Yea, Abba, but no, I'm to cry. Kumria, what the Dutch has him in slow. Okay, what play ye? Yeah, a thing that casa. Yeah, you will be sure. Saman fair when you send me. 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 Hey, I play, man. What's that soon?
Sama fe wanyin sano. Sama fe wanyin sana. Sama fe wanyin sana. Sama fe wanyin sana. Sama fe wanyin sana. Ah, quick. Where you are, you know? And then that. May you be sorrow. Shout out. I'm going to be me. They see me, ma. Go back and so on, me. Go on, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. Oh, ma. We're going Ami, yo. I'm on baby. I'm got people. Yes, I'm got people. I'm got people. Yeah, I got people. I'm on baby. Sorry, I'm got people. I'm got people. Ananse, Boku, we need to walk or cartel. Boku, I'm paid or what happened me. Walk on the garden. Boku, and so on you.
Always nagging.
Say, where is your father? He should have returned home by now. Still setting traps, I suppose.
Mother, bring him out.
Kwakutin, hurry up! Go and call the neighbors. I can't bear this alone. Hold it back. I can't bear this alone. Oh, God of my fathers, help me out of this.
It seems as if my blood were on fire. And my breath being squeezed out of me.
It will be all right, Kweku. It will be all right.
You don't know, Connor. You don't know. I can see them. There! Calling me. My chest. And my head. My limbs. I can still see them. Now they're calling me all the more.
Who are those calling you, Kweku?
The dead. My ancestors.
No, Kweku. Tell them you are not coming. Oh, help! 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 Help!
I don't think this man can save me.
I'm here, Kweku.
Listen to my last words. And nothing can save me.
We'll take you to the Okon for Kweku.
Late. Too late.
Father, he can save your life.
Too late, my son, Kukutu. I'm dying.
Oh, Baba.
Don't cry, Okona. You've been a true friend and a dear wife to me. But now we've come to the parting of ways. The voice that calls me now must be obeyed. Oh, will you promise to do my last wish? Now, listen. Listen carefully, Okana. When I die, don't bury me in a grave. Lay me on a bier under my favorite tree in the farm and build a hut around my body. This aching body of mine. Well,
rest in peace. Shielded from the sun and the rain. Farewell. Oh, my.
Kweku's funeral was the most memorable one in the history of the village. The drums were brought out, and for 5 market days, the farms were neglected to pay homage to Kweku Ananse. The drums beat from dawn to dusk. Tears lingered in every eye, and the whole village went into mourning.
Ego.
Amen.
Ego.
Amen.
Ego.
Amen.
Sama pay go ma we jam la me. Se ala ya gine he. Kokwa Ananse. Wa sha. Na ira wa ba no. Thank you me Johnson. Enya.
Who is this for whom the woman wails? Who is this for whom the Oduruja moans? It is Ananse, the great Kweku Ananse, the wily one, the eight-legged one, him with a stomach like the bottomless pit, he who builds mansions of gossamer. Go well, crafty one, go well, Ananse. When you start, do not tarry. Take our condolences. Do not tarry. You who, contrary to the old proverb, have always maintained that though man may finish what he has to say, he never can finish what he has to drink. Here is gin for you. May it taste good on your tongue. May you never be thirsty on your way. As you journey into the land of the dead, may you encounter no evil. No matter how you lived among us, may peace attend you in death. Here is gin for you. Go well, Ananse. When you start, do not tarry. Take our condolences. Do not tarry.
We are in trouble. To whom shall we turn? Oh, the so-cotton tree is down, and the birds have nowhere to perch.
After the funeral was over and all the rites were performed, O'Connell and her son Kwekutsin kept indoors for weeks before they could venture into the farm again.
Father, look. The cassava. All the ripe tomatoes are gone. And the garden eggs. Who could have done this?
Oh, Kweku, where are you? Where are you? Were Ananse alive? Would anyone dare do this on his farm? Oh, Kweku.
Don't grieve, Mother. I shall find a way. Leave that scoundrel to me.
Let's go home, Kwekutin. I cannot bear to see so much destruction.
That evening, the villagers gathered as they have always done for storytelling.
Oh! Ah, what about that? You go to the other one, and that is Obiara, Obusmo, Ebiajo, oh, Mamma Mia Madman is here. Shamukan have we. A grand have we. And you might have been the other. What did I do about the other one of pet? Kawa! No, but I'm not. Oh, better, blah, 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 blah. Oh, better, blah, 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 blah. Oh, Brigama, Brigama, What in the name of the man? I don't know where my dog got your papa. Of course, baby, madam. Oh, come on. One out of the oh, yes. Me uncle, one man, what do you fear? And I be, okay, sir. Neither, sir. So, nipple did you make? Tell me, Uncle Bobia. No, I am the Madia today. No, make us a view. No, no, kitty. But never have one. No, no, kitty. Never pay my haircut. Come on, Yamaha. Ha. Look, Master and Uncle, I want it. You guys on them. Oh, you guys are. Awesome. One more million, I remember once out. I couldn't make it. I saw it. Also, Nanny Asu. Only another supply to Guru. Open Martin. Also, your man. Oh, better, blah, 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 blah. Oh, better, blah, 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 blah. Eh, Brigama. Oh, the
I think I'm seeing. Oh, ten, I think I'm seeing. What is it? Oh, wow. I can't hear it. But I'm a man. Ha, 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 ha.
I'm sorry to drag you away like this.
That's all right. I'm not enjoying the story anyway.
That is the point. You have been different ever since your father died. But you are a man now, and it's time you got over your grief. You should spend more time thinking about us.
You know I do.
We have to think seriously about our marriage, now that the funeral is over.
First things first. I haven't told you this, but it's not only my father's death which grieves me. I'm worried about our farm.
But everybody knows Kuku Ananse had the biggest farm in the village.
I'm not worried about that. Somebody has been feeding fat on it.
A thief in your farm? This is unbelievable. Stealing is unheard of in this village. It has never happened before.
My old man used to say there's a first time for everything.
I know, but have you talked to the chief about this?
What can he do, Mansa?
He may be able to help. Try, Kweku.
Lindo come on. Now you are a
I have got it. I'm sure it will work. My old man once told me, son, nothing is impossible in this world. I'll one day show you how you can roll up the world like a mat and hide it somewhere.
But this is ridiculous. How can anyone roll up the world like a mat?
I didn't say he told me how, did I?
Let's go back. It's getting late. You know the old lady.
Where else does she think you are?
You know she doesn't approve of this sort of thing.
Ebenezer.
You know what I mean.
Don't forget you owe your mother-in-law a pot of water in the morning.
You mean my mother-in-law to be?
It's time for storytelling. Are you coming? Not tonight, Kojo.
All family men who have to share every scrap of food. Not a chance to put on a bit of fat. None of that kind of life for me anymore. What am I tree? It's too full. Malaku. So many years of them and you had one of years of them.
Your food is getting cold. I want to finish this work first, Mother. Don't call me Ananse's son if I fail to catch a thief tomorrow.
Were Ananse alive? Who would dare? Oh, Ananse. Where are you?
Life can be good for the man who cares to use his wits.
Also, sing a better about it. Oh, won't you?
But I bet you haven't saw the
Ah, Minimbo. Since Ananse died, that boy has gone funny in the head.
What is also in Korea beyond work from one?
Who would believe this incredible story?
Well, Sunday I'm going for canning.
Thank you, friend. But tomorrow we shall know who the rogue is.
Come over and see for yourself. Look, it seems there are many thieves and not just one as we thought. How can we deal with so many of them?
This is no problem, Mother. You catch the leader and you catch all of them. You forget I'm Ananse's son.
Hey, friends! Come along here.
Just leave it here.
That's all right, friend. Thank you very much.
That man nearly frightened me. What are you doing in my farm? This is my farm, you know. Who are you? Don't think I'm afraid of you. Can't you speak at all, fellow? Come on, say something. I think he's afraid of me. Look here, this is my farm, you know, and it's my business to know why you are here. He's not even taking any notice of me. Good character, isn't he? Say, come on, say something now. Don't stand there like a piece of wood. Well, if you don't say anything, I'm going to make you. Well? What in law? Hey. So you want me to tell you to let go of my hand before you do so, eh? Hey. Say, country, leave my hand alone. You want trouble? If you trouble will trouble you. All right. I'm going to count 3. Only 3. And if you don't let go of my hand, well, you know. 1, 2, 3. You're joking, man. Dead or alive, I'm a very strong man, you know. Perhaps you've never heard about me, eh? I'm Ananse kokokun. Ananse katichi huma. Look, man, this is getting rough. And I don't want to lose my temper. You see this foot? It's as powerful as dynamite. If I release it, both of us will be blown to bits. So, man, let's come to terms, eh? Oh, but, man, I didn't hit you. This isn't fair. You're cheating. Huh? Oh. All right. I'm going to count 3. Only 3. And if you don't release me, boy, you are dead. Do you hear? 1, 2, 3. 1,101, 1,102, 1,100 and did you hear that noise? I hit the ground with that dynamite foot just to show you how powerful it is. Now the choice is yours. Hey, Andre, you don't value your life, eh? Do you value your life? Do you? Do you? Somje. Look, dear, I didn't mean you any harm. We can both live here peacefully and happily. Everything here was mine. Now it's for the 2 of us. Can you hear me? Do you hear me? Perhaps he doesn't understand English. Hello, Yoga. Paddy, who like a bomb on your music bomb? Well, Mamma can walk on your way. Hello, Bombo and Nugang. We have if you go out. The mouse will go if you go, Mamma will put me if you go. Eh? We have. How do you out to me, young guy? Oh, you are an American? Yeah, man, that ain't no way to behave, man. Come on, let's strike a deal, man. Come from Pennsylvania? Yeah, me too, come down California way. Still silent. What language do you speak? Hausa? Don't see, can I eat mangana chicken by Haushi? Abochi. I've been one that can I in a bay the chow. Agum di dagwani. Zang mabahe. Katitoxi ye toga mabalim. Sure. Ana eletmeli. Aw, medan mugon biezi agzim. Ay asu enjachimi na ayeyi bi ala son la wie son la. Allo gbato na nya. Fika na chu. Anya kwa. Cho. Dasinu nya na mi adro nya nuti fafa toy. Ogbo Yoruba. Parlez-vous français? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Ah. And you can't even speak Chinese or Efutu? Ah, about some spring. A baby, more about him, eh? Look, daylight isn't far off, eh? Are you not going to release me?
I can't wait anymore.
I have almost finished. But, Kweku, we must eat first before we leave.
No, Mother. We must leave now. I have a feeling we've caught the thief.
All right. Let's go. The neighbors.
Hey, who are you? And what are you doing here? Answer me. I said, who are you? Don't pretend to be dead. You can't fool me, you know. Hey, did you hear me? Hey, all right. Tell me your name. And I will free you. I'm sure you don't want the whole village to come and see you here.
If you will free me, then please free me quickly. Please.
That's funny. Sounds like my father. The dress. The legs. What strange coincidence. Hey, you. Do you know a man called Ananse?
Oh, but Ananse died here several weeks ago.
Oh, so you knew him. Then you must come from this village. Now tell me, who are you?
Oh, what's happening to
Tell me, what's your name? Yes, speak. Go on. No. No. My father? My own father?
Our Mahimo! Aquapanas, our Mahimo! Madanas, our Mahimo! Aquapanas, our Mahimo!
They are coming. The whole village. Who is it, Kwakutin? Who is it?
Take a good look, Mother.
Oh, a jay. I did not hear the asthma to say. Oh, well, queer anymore. Oh, well.
It's all right, Mother. I'll meet them and tell them the thief has escaped.
No, Kwakutin. It's too late. There's nothing we can do.
So that's how you caught him. Very, very clever indeed. Kwekutin, you are truly Ananse's son.
Look, it's Ananse.
Stop it, Amma. Who taught you to insult the memory of the dead?
Yes, it is Ananse, all right. I knew it. I knew there was something suspicious about the whole affair. Now down.
Oh, Ananse, why you and Dennis is saying you guys are coming with me? Why, bro, why upon that on you, but what's wrong with Abel Mokodo? It's Uncle Conny if you ever realize. She's saying you guys not away. Offer to know when you could be on you into Morocco. Master, to my catcher wine.
Thus, Kweku Ananse was exposed, and his greed brought upon him greater shame than any other man ever suffered in the eyes of his own wife and child. Take heed then, all you who listen. To the wise, it's enough to speak in proverbs.